Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do this cute fall pumpkin nail tutorial. And I had a couple different greens for you to pick from.
Oh, cool.
And then I was thinking, so I'll do the pumpkin on like a tan background. But I was thinking this one, do a solid glitter and then a solid glitter on the thumb.
Okay.
What do you
I
think?
kind of like the stripes, actually.
Do you?
Yeah. Maybe could we do stripes and then solid glitter here?
Mm-hmm.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, I thought the pumpkin was on the ring finger.
We can switch it.
No, I like how it is. I just said in the text the other way around. Oh, that one's pretty.
This one needs to be stirred up, but it's kind of a darker one.
Mm-hmm.
Or there's these two, which are a little bit lighter.
What do you think?
It's up to you. I like the dark one.
I think we could try dark. I never really do darker. Where's that original olive green that we used?
It's this light one.
Wow.
I looked up the photo because I was wondering.
Funny. Yeah, we can try darker.
Might as well. Cuckoo. Yeah. I'm thinking probably the dark one. We have like
a taupe.
That one, which actually goes. I actually did these two on Ari not too long ago.
Cool.
Ooh, I have like.
Oh yeah, some more like brownies.
Mm-hmm.
I'm into this one.
Yeah, I was gonna say this one's probably closest to that color because this one's quite a bit lighter once it's stirred.
What do you think though?
With the pumpkin on it?
I think I might like the light one
lighter
better.
one?
Yeah. I don't know.
Do you want to see the actual swatch of it?
That'd be nice. Sure. Yeah, I like the nudie one. I like that one a lot better.
Yeah.
Right.
And then for glitter, I have one that's similar to that one.
Is it like a gold?
But
Goldy.
it's like it's that one we did on your purple nails.
I think I like that one. Oh yeah, I love that one. That's perfect.
Or we could, if you
I like
wanted
how these
to,
complement each other. I like this
you
one
could
more.
do the gold. Okay. These
I
are
like
the
how they
three I did
complement
on
each other.
Those are the ones I did on Ari.
That's so funny.
Those ones.
And then what about the orange? What orange were you thinking for your pretty pumpkin?
For the pumpkin.
Pumpkin. What about that pretty light orange in the second row? Is that an orange?
That's like
Is that like
peach.
corally?
Yeah, it's gonna.
But it's whoa.
It's like bright. It's like
Too much.
unless you want a bright pumpkin.
No, I feel like it would be too much.
This one's like the
That one's
darker
pretty.
lines.
Yeah, where's like a nice like orangey orange? See, your swatch is up there. Yeah, maybe that guy. Oh, but that's also
kind of
peachy.
peach.
That's really the only oranges besides the Sally Hansen one that you have the crazy.
I can mix this one with white just to lighten it up.
Yeah, cool.
I think that works. That one's the same tonal.
Yeah, no, I'm into that.
And then we
Cool.
have brown for the stem.
I actually really like all three of these together. I think they really complement each other. Like that glitter and the taupey really fit.
So I did record and leave in some of the consultation of how we picked out colors and things like that. Let me know if you guys like that in videos or if you'd rather see just the tutorial. And so we have her nails freshly filled, ready to go. First color we'll be using is Light Elegance's Ringmaster. This came out in their fall collection last year. Super dark, kind of army type green. We're going to paint this on her pinky and her pointer finger.
It's definitely a lot darker than I go with usually.
But it looks good on your skin tone. How would you do?
Oh, what did I do?
I just clean my brush too.
I know. Is that a new brush you're using?
No.
Oh.
Yep, you have it on our finger.
Yeah. That makes a lot of sense.
Okay. Next, we're going to go in with La Elegance's Alato Gelato. This came out in their spring collection, I believe. And we're going to paint this on her ring finger and her middle finger. Next, we're going to go in with La Elegance's Pixie Party. This came out in their summer collection. This is a super pretty, champagne-y, super yummy glitter. And we're going to paint this on her thumb. And I do a second coat of all of the colors. And I'm going to take my detailer brush from Midi Burns. This is Minty 0. And I'm going to create some horizontal stripes with using Pixie Party on her ring finger. And now for the pumpkin, I'm going to go in with Kira Sky's Egyptian Goddess. And this is a little dark, so I mixed in with some Madame Glam's Perfect White. I don't recommend mixing your gel brands, but I went ahead and I did it here, and it actually cured just fine. So I go in and I draw the little pumpkin on the bottom. And then I use just the regular Egyptian Goddess by itself, not mixed with anything, for the lines of the detailing of the pumpkin. And somehow I missed filming this, but I did add white lines for highlight using Madame Glam's Perfect White. And then this brown I'm using for the stem is La Elegance's Bearded Lady. And I do go back in with Ringmaster and I create a little curly Q for the pumpkin. And now we're going to go in with top coat. I will be using my La Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how her nails came out. They are super cute, but super simple to do. They are perfect for the fall time. And I love how these three colors come together. The Ringmaster, Alato Gelato, and Pixie Party. They were made for each other for fall time. I will insert another picture I had used this combination for just recently as well. And of course, it looks different because it's a different design, but the colors go so well together. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more fall nail tutorials coming up, and we'll see you next time. Bye!